Okay, so we are starting our last topic of this semester, topic number 7, ethnobotany. As per syllabus, there are these 3 points are there: definition, principle, then scope, and the different ethnic societies in the India. So, what is the ethnobotany? So, it is very simple. As we are knowing, it is the historical study. In the Greek, ethnos means the culture group of peoples, and the logi, logos, that is the study, and in botany, the study of the plants are there. So, ethnobotany generally related with that of the plants, and their products are there, and what is the relationship. So ethnobotany, as per the scientific study, it gives the relationship which exists between people and the plants. It is very simple definition, so you remember this: the relationship between the people and the plants are there. Then it does not just describe the use of plants, but locates the plants with their cultural context, or the cultural societies are there, and there are the, as per the ecological situations or the localities are there. We are knowing we having the tribal peoples are there, then urban areas are there. So particularly in ancient time, how these peoples are related to this, and this study is generally is called as the ethnobotany. So it is a branch of ethnobiology. Ethno means generally it is having the peoples, and biology means the living. The study of past and the present interrelationship between human cultures and the plants are there. Human culture, that is our human customs, different societies are there. So plants, animals, and other organisms in the environment. So whatever our surrounding environment is there, so it is generally showing this character. Then in connection between the human culture practices and the sub-disciplines are, for example, you are observing this photograph of the collection of the, there is having the cotton is there. So people in this region, they are working for this one. Then secondly, as it is the study of the regions, plants, and their practical uses as per our traditional knowledge by the local culture or the local peoples are there. So firstly, this term, it is given by the Harshberger in 1895, and they included as the plants used by the primitive and aboriginal peoples are there. So in Marathi we are calling as our आदिवासी किंवा पूर्वज आपले. So generally, as in this these ages, generally different disciplines are there. Then ethnobotany, it is generally nowadays it is supposed as an academic branch, or it is a science. What is natural science? Science means to understand, so it is the understanding, and arts means the to do. So therefore in the 20th century it becomes a part of study, okay, how the our ancient peoples are living and what is their relationship. Then according to ethnobotanist are there different practices, different custom, that is त्याला चालीरीती म्हणतो आपण. So they are present in the life of the humans are there. We that time the plants are used for medicines, foods, intoxicants, then preparation of the cloths are there. Later on, according to Richard Evans Schultz, so they are called as a father of ethnobotany, and they explain the disciplines. So ethnobotany simply it means investigating the plants used by the societies in various parts of the world. So in various parts of the world, that is we are knowing in America, Switzerland, or certain African region. So all the customs are there, like our Indian customs. So this father of ethnobotany, Richards, so they have given the simple meaning. Then secondly, according to Schultz, the field of ethnobotany, as it shows the acquirance of the knowledge is there, and therefore the it is to be also used in the pharmaceutical. And so nowadays we are knowing intellectual properties rights are there, so they are used particular arrangement. I think you are knowing our patent is there, turmeric. So it is to be claimed by the America firstly, but later on we have given the ancient supports or references, and therefore it is to be with us. Then history, in historical part, the American peoples to be Ojibwa man is there. So they have given about the 20th century. There is a John William Harsberger are there. Then according to them, they included the different North Africa part, Mexico, Senegambia, Peninsula. Then there is Amazon Valley is there. So it is to be reported as the well-known to the science as a ethnobotanical study. Secondly, there are the, as per the Greek physicians, Pedanius or Dioscorides. So they are the doctors, and they have extensively given about 600 Mediterranean plants under this study, as per the old studies are there. In the Greece generally, including certain regions, Greece, Crete, Egypt, Petra, so these plants are reported. In the certain areas, we are knowing the Americans, including crops like potatoes, peanuts, avocados, tomatoes, they are originated in the part of the America. So therefore, this is also one interesting part is there. Then in relation to the ethnobotanical studies are there, we are knowing there is the specifically as the ethnobotany, it is to be showing the science, and which is in position of this it shows the contribution, right? So just we have to know about this one.